Hello, this is question 5 on your mixed exercise 3 from year 12. And for part A, you have given that 3 to the power of x is 9 to the power of y minus 1, so that x must be this. Sometimes you think about taking logs for these questions, but if you are able to have the same base in both sides of the equal, the equation is even simpler than that. So remember that 9 is 3 squared, so really we have 3 squared to the power of y minus 1. Using the properties of the indices or the indices laws, remember when we have a power, we multiply the exponents. So really we have 3 to the power of 2y minus 2. And this means that the exponents must be the same, 2y minus 2, yeah? So just using the fact that 9 is 3 squared, and multiplying the exponents because it's a power of a power, yeah? So if these two expressions are the same, as the base is the same, the exponent must be the same. Then for B, solve the simultaneous equations. We have one linear equation and one quadratic equation. The easiest way is to substitute the linear into the quadratic. And we have x, the subject, so it doesn't matter if we do y or x, but in this case x is ready. So we are going to substitute the x here. And we are going to write instead of x 2y minus 2. Squared is y squared plus 7. We are going to expand the brackets. So first one squared, 2 times the product, minus 8y, and then the second squared, y squared plus 7, and then we reorganize. So we have 4y squared minus y squared 3y squared minus 8y, and then I have 4 minus 7, yeah, this 4 minus 7 is minus 3 equal to 0, and then we factorize this quadratic. So we can use the quadratic formula or just try to factorize. We need two numbers that multiply together, give me the product of these two, which is minus 9. So I have minus 9 and positive 1, because when I add them together, I have minus 8. So I'm going to write this minus 8y as minus 9y plus 1. So I can rewrite the 3y squared minus 9y plus y minus 3. Yeah, I'm substituting this minus 8y by minus 9y plus y. And then I factorize the first two and the second two equal to 0. So the first two is 3y multiplying y minus 3. The second is y minus 3. This is common, so that means I can write 3y plus 1. Yeah, I have a 1 here, I don't write it, but I have a 1 here. So 3y plus 1 in brackets multiplying y minus 3 equal to 0. That means y is going to be minus 1/3, making equal to 0 the first bracket, or y is 3, making 0 the second bracket. Yeah, this 0 or this 0. I found y, but now I have to find x. So x, when y is minus 1/3, is 2y minus 2. So when y is minus 1/3, so the first solution, I have 2 times minus 1/3 minus 2. And this is minus 8/3, no? Minus 8/3. And this one, x, is 2 times when y is 3. So this one is the other solution. When y is 3, I have 2 times 3 minus 2, which is 4. So your pairs, if you want to pair them, is going to be x 4. X, let me write the first one. So minus 8/3 corresponding to minus 1/3, and x 4 corresponding to y 3. Yeah, because most of the time, these type of questions, you are finding intersection between a quadratic and a straight line. So you are finding coordinates. So it's always a good idea to keep in mind which one goes which one. Yeah? Not necessarily you have to write them this way, but it's important to keep an eye on which one goes with which one. Yeah, that's all with this question.